Today, I'm gonna show you how this ferocious eagle attacked a human kid, and this giant bird was about to take off the kid if timely interruption wasn't made. In this video, I'm gonna show you how powerful these birds are while attacking their prey. Subscribe my channel so you can easily go through my new videos. These giant birds have a powerful grip with their feet, which are known as talons. They can easily rip apart their prey within a second with their talons, and this grip is definitely fatal for their prey. There are several types of birds of prey which have some superpowers given to them by the nature, which include a very sharp eyesight, which is almost 5 times more clearer than a human eye, which help them spot their prey from the sky, and their flying technique from which they attack their prey, which gives them the ability to fly to the high altitudes in the sky. They have a deadly beak, and especially their grip on the prey by their sharp talons, which they can kill any animal. Here I'm going to show you a giant eagle attacked a kid and who was about to make his prey fly if timely interruption wasn't made by his guardian, who was just near to that kid. These hooked claws are so powerful they used to capture, subdue, and kill their prey by causing a severe damage to an animal's internal organs. A bald eagle can grip their talon over 300 psi, and a great horned eagle has over 500 psi holding grip, whereas a human hand can grip just 50 psi. Researchers believe that an eagle gripping strength is about 10 times that of an adult human hand. Mostly eagles are very good at hunting a fish as a prey, but few of them are giant enough to hunt a fox, deer, and even a monkey. They can easily lift a goat from a mountain. This one is a harpy eagle, which is known as one of the largest birds of prey after the Philippine eagle. Harpy eagle talon length is about 4 to 5 inches, just as the same as a grizzly bear claws. Those deadly talons give the harpy enough power and grip to lift prey up to their own weight. Their other destructive tool is their beak, which can rip off their prey into small pieces for their own eating as well when they are feeding their young. Eagles are fearless and never surrender to their size or strength of its prey because eagles never eat dead things. If you really like this video, share it among with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.